Yo, what it do, man? It's your boy, Zoe is Motion, aka Zoe Eddie, man. What's happening, bro? So, this is my very first YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? But hey, we about to do a react to Kodak Black, Rich the Kid, Rain, Snow. Hey, this sound like some heat, bro. I've been seeing it on Instagram and TikTok, bro. I heard the chorus is catchy, super catchy. We about to find out right now. But anyways, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if y'all messing with this video, bro. Hey, man, show some support, man. It's free 99. It's free 99. Might as well show some support. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. For real. I also be streaming on Twitch too, so I'm gonna leave it right here. Y'all go tap in. I'm gonna put it at the end of the video too. So hey, let's get to this video. Let's see what Kodak and Rich the Kid talking about real quick. They look like they in Haiti. Yeah, they in Haiti. Shout out to the Zoes, man. Oh, this the chorus right here, huh? Okay. Okay.
How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
Let's go. Range roll.
Chains on me and go. How many licks I had to go out and hit the mason door?
I used to trap in the rain. Now I got my wrist on snow. I got your bitch on go. I was just jigging finessing folks. Now I'm walking around in a Louis coat. Ride a Maybach, a Lamb, I got them both. Bro, was y'all out, I ain't have hope. Call up sniper game, pull up with a scope. I was popping pills cause I couldn't cope. Niggas hating on me, said I wasn't dope. Now I got a Rolls Royce umbrella for rain. Kinda 100 racks up just for the pay. I got that shit out the mud. Tell her ran into the plug.
Good.
Now I hit the mob blow, hold up. Let me fake, they don't never show no love. We the real zombies. If it's a problem, we see about it. My first car was a Maserati. Shit on niggas, that's porta potty.
Range roll. Rain see the soul. Hey.
How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
All day.
Range roll, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit the mason door?
Okay.
Rain slow, rain see the slow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
All day.
Range roll, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit the mason door?
Okay.
This that Kodak bar, yeah, I beat the pot out on the floor. This that soda pop, nigga, I blew off shaking up the coat. I remember when I almost gave up on the floor. I was busting scam, making way more money than a show. I was 14, hit the new jack and cars and up and pole. I went MIA, but please don't get it confused, I'm from the north. I'm a grave digger, somebody come identify your folks. I'm a little paid nigga, I swear ain't losing sleep about a hoe. She give me talk, this bitch a pro. She give me talk, you like a pro. She keep me sloppy like I'm Joe. She give me sloppy like a Joe. I'm grinding by my mom.
She give me sloppy like I'm Joe. But I ain't Joe.
I'm selling cocaine, weed, and pills. Keep a bomb behind the stove. Keep some snipers ready to kill. Rain slow,
Rain see the soul. Hey.
How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
All day.
Range roll, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit and make some dope? Rain slow,
Rain
see
sleep
the
slow.
slow. How many nights do I gotta stay on the grind and selling dope?
What it say?
Range roll, chains on me glow. How many licks I had to go out and hit the mason dope?
Okay. All day. Rain, snow, rain, sleep with Hey, Kodak never disappoint with the chorus and the hook, bro. He never disappoints, bro. It's always catchy, bro. I don't see how people can't listen to Kodak, bro. Kodak, he really a genius with this music shit, bro. Really a genius with it, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video all the way through, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you turn on the notifications, like, subscribe, and comment. You know what I'm saying? If you really messing with me, go ahead and do that for me, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I appreciate y'all. Peace.